My name is Ramis Walid.
My name is Yusufam.
My name is Sama.
I studied the IT Information Technology field at Sewedy Technical Academy, STA.
I'm senior in Sewedy Technical Academy.
And I'm studying programming.
From a young age, I had the curiosity of exploring how technology works and how systems are built and how this infrastructure works together. B-TECH stands out for me because I had this experience that I'm not just memorizing what I'm taking from materials.
It focuses on practical learning, develops our soft skills, and prepare us for industrial work environment.
My experience in the BTEC was very good and very useful. I like practical studying, not theory studying. This has helped us to understand what we make and to understand what we study.
The best thing about going to STA was they prioritize developing you as a person before developing you as a professional. For me, they pre-developed my mindset, my character, and the way of thinking. Actually, BTEC gave me something that a traditional qualification doesn't offer, which is it gave me a real hands-on experience by applying what we take in the class on a real hands-on projects.
I learned how to apply what we studied in real project, especially teamwork and problem solving.
And by that, BTEC qualification has a bridge between the gap in the industry and the education. After taking your classes and your real-world assignments and your hands-on experience projects, when you go out to the market, you are very prepared and well-prepared on how to deal with the environment of the industry.
I'm proud to be in here in the STA.